Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to exclude something into the images created by Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to exclude something from Midjourney's images, you just simply have to open your Discord server and open Midjourney bot. And after opening Midjourney bot, just simply open your message section and then type command imagine, and into here just simply write down your prompt first. In order to exclude something, you just simply have to type ~no and then space, then after that type what you don't want to include into this generated image. For example, I don't want to include banana into my fruit basket, so I'm typing no banana into here. And if you want to exclude a lot of things into your picture, you just simply have to give comma after every object and then give a space, then write down what else you don't want to include in your generated picture. Then after that, I don't want yellow fruits. Then again, as last, I'll choose mango too. Then after writing down this much, just simply tap into this send button. Then Midjourney will start its work. Just simply wait a while and we'll see the results. As you can see here, as according my command, Midjourney created the fruit basket image for me. There is no banana, no yellow fruits and no mango. So this is all you have to do in order to exclude something from the picture that created by Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.